Welcome to Grace Community
No,
Church.
I want to be in this.
So sunny. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. Sunny. Yay.
That.
Welcome to Grace Community Church. Wednesday night, April 13. This is the view of the tower building, third floor. Welcome guys to Grace Community Church. So I'm gonna tour you around before we start our Bible study tonight. So here, hi Khalil, how are you? Good to see you. So this is Grace Walk. So soon is where's Abby?
Oh, she's on her way here from Irvine.
Oh, okay.
She's going to UWG, but
Si Khalil, friends namin.
I'm just having dinner while she's out there because I haven't had lunch yet. So yeah.
So
What about you
here
guys?
guys, I'm gonna video. Hold on. So here guys, Staple House will be open soon. This is all the service here at Grace. Worship services, and here the Staple House. Also in the morning you have streaming here. You can watch outside. And this is the Staple House, will be opening soon. Yay! There we go, coming soon. And tonight we have Every Woman's Grace over there at FLC. We'll be singing tonight, and we'll be sharing our Bible study tonight in our group. We have discussion of what we study. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, so we're gonna walk. This is the Grace, the worship center, and I'm going to the welcome center, which is we're gonna meet our group there at the welcome center at 8 o'clock tonight. There you go. Grace Community Church is a big property, and that's a worship center. I'm not sure if they have a, what do you call that, men's fellowship tonight. So here we are here at welcome center. So this is our room for tonight Bible study. My husband's talking to Khalil, our friends. And this is the worship center. So I'm just gonna do a quick tour for you guys here at Grace Community Church. I think they have Men of the Word tonight. And this is all the missionaries all over the world. Faith Promise. So these are all missionaries. This is, oh, this came from Manila. Dorcas Kim. Yeah, she's missionaries in the Philippines. Okay, so we're going toward, I have time. It's not 7 yet, so I have time to tour you guys a little bit. And I'm going to the fountain area. And that's over there is the Master Seminary Library. Alright, so this is the fountain. Very nice fountain. And over there is the Grace Book. Very pretty. There you go. Very nice. Christmas. And the Master Seminaries. My son's going there tonight to study or to do his sermon for the Easter. He will be preaching on Easter. Not here, not Grace Community Church, but to a different church in Los Angeles. We'll be guesting. And here, Grace Books. This is their stores. They're not open today, but they have a lot of books here that you can buy. Okay, so let's go back. And this is their office center. There you go. Alright, let's go back. And that's the tower. I was there upstairs earlier. Oh, here's Abby. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this mini tour here at Grace Community Church. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for coming today. Bye for now.